is an IT admin, and today he's got a long to-do list. Luckily, he's also got Motorola for Business with ThinkShield. With zero-touch enrollment, new employees get up and running. No manual setup required. A new business app for the field team? Deployed instantly, remotely. No delays, no downtime. Then, the unexpected. A sales rep's phone isn't working before a big meeting. With remote troubleshooting, she's back in business in seconds. Another urgent call. An executive lost their phone with access to critical data. With Moto Safe, the device is locked instantly. No risk of data breach. Business partners and contractors get devices tailored to their needs. Pre-configured and ready to go. Take control of software updates and schedule at your preferred time, ensuring business continuity without disruption. One last check. Data secured, operation smooth, mission accomplished. ThinkShield, enterprise security for the modern IT admin.